morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Today it's gonna be Elantra day. We haven't done Elantra in a while. A lot of you guys been not emailing, but DMing me about Elantra content. So we are at Tire Central right now, getting alignment done right now. Picking up. We're getting alignment done right now, and then we're gonna drop. Oh, speaking of Elantra, there it is. Check it out. Damn, it looks good. Damn. Oh my goodness. Honestly, it looks pretty good. Sorry, I'm just a little. See the fitment, guys? It's pretty good, right? No rubbing whatsoever. So a lot of guys asked about the size on Facebook too. It's an 18 by 8.5, 35 offset with a 245/40 tire, lowered on storm springs in Korean springs, and they're really good. You know, no issues. But yeah, we just get the alignment there right now, and we're gonna drop our car off to get the Resonator delete because this car has a valve mufflers, which is perfect. If we do like a downpipe or J pipe, kind of like my car right now. See, look, if you have like an exhaust button, if you click it, it's quiet. And if you click again, it's loud. So it has the option for that. So we're gonna go ahead and chop out the Resonator. We're gonna go ahead and possibly order the downpipe today. We still gotta put the Boomba pitch mount, engine mount on. We'll show you guys what that does later, okay? So a lot of Elantra content today. For those guys curious about WRX, we have the fender flare coming out this week, guys. This week, which is today's Tuesday. So I think Thursday we're gonna have it. I'm gonna install it on Adrian's car. So very excited for that. And also, VB meet number 4. It's gonna be next Saturday. We're cruising from Los Angeles to San Diego. We're gonna hang out there. I'm gonna stay at night there, okay, with my friends. And then, yeah, so if you wanna come, here's the flyer. I'll put the flyer here, okay? So next Saturday, yeah, 9 a.m. Yeah, we're gonna have departure at 9 a.m. guys, okay? Usually we meet there at like 10, we leave, but to avoid traffic, we're gonna head there at 9 and enjoy the road, okay? But yeah, so Jared's gonna go pick up the Elantra right now, and then we're gonna head to the exhaust shop, drop off the exhaust shop, and then we'll be right back. All right, also, shout out to Ray Motorsports. She gave me this titanium, is it a key tag? Yeah. It's like a key tag. Ray is so amazing. It like kind of stabbed my leg though. The other day when I sat on it, on my butt pocket, I was like, oh, what is that? So yeah, it was very nice. So I decided to take it off and I put it in my car, okay? Because I don't want to get stabbed again. But it's very pretty. Look at this. Oh shoot, titanium. But all right, guys, we'll be right back. All right, guys. So we are officially done with the delete. Here's the stock Resonator. As you can see, it's very almost comes out very tiny. I don't know how much difference it'll make, similar like a WRX, but it should do something, you know, because it is kind of restricted. So let's see. As you can see, the Resonator is very tiny. It's the size of maybe size of Jared's head. But yeah, let's see what it sounds like. I don't think it'll make much difference, but this is as far as we can go as far as noise without like taking the mufflers off or, you know, doing the downpipe. So let's go.
Wow, okay, holy that is loud. Oh my god. That is loud. It is dude, hey, oh my god, it's louder than the WRX. Way louder. Go stand behind it. Dude, that hurts my ears. Really? Yeah, it's louder than your Mercedes.
I think we're gonna get pulled over very quickly, but let's go for a drive. All right, it's a lot more raspier, for sure. But let's go on the freeway, get a pull. So alignment's done. Car drive's pretty good. I think volume increased by 20%.
I think by like 30%.
It's pretty loud.
Oh my!
The noise more comes from pops, right, than the actual like exhaust. Because right now it's pretty quiet. Like we're 72 miles right now, 4th gear. It's pretty average.
That is cool.
Yeah, see, full throttle.
No drone.
Yeah, no drone. Inside cabin. Hear the pops?
Yeah.
Yeah, the car drives really good right now. I think it needs a little bit more power, in my opinion. Jeez. Oh. It's kind of sound like farts. Let's get off the exit.
Oh my god. Pretty fast.
Not bad, not bad. Jerry, you're blocking my mirror, Jerry!
You good?
So, we'll go ahead and get some clips for you on the outside. But,
Some flybys.
Get some flybys, but I think as far as like interior, noise, it really hasn't changed much, to be honest.
There's no drone.
There's no drone. I mean, it feels like stock, but on the pops itself, it's definitely like amplified. Like I would say, like 30%. Jerry says 40, but I think it's pretty loud. But yeah, guys, that's it for today's short clip today. Hope you enjoyed it. This is a definitely easy mod. You can go to any local muffler shop. They charge you $60, so you can probably get it like I said, like $40 to $80 depending where you live and what part of the United States you're at. But there's an underpass coming, so
yeah.
Let me get some pops real quick. Oh my god! Oh man! Someone call 911. Yeah. So as you can see, the pops are kind of crazy, really crazy. Dude, I don't get shot, man. Hey,
Definitely gonna get.
Yeah, man, in the wrong neighborhood, you start doing this. It's a bad idea. But yeah, car drive is good, guys. So I'm gonna go get lunch with Jerry right now, and then we're gonna get you guys some clips. But that's it for today's Elantra video. Hope my Elantra boys like this content. Give this video a thumbs up and make sure you hit the subscribe button, and then I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.